Today I'd like to talk to the folks out there who have dental insurance. So if you don't have dental insurance, you can just skip on to something else. But if you do, I've got a message for you, and it's something I want you to think about. We are getting toward the end of the year. It's finally starting to cool off outside and feeling like fall a little bit. But with your dental insurance, there are some things that folks don't know about that because it's very different than your medical, which people are a little more familiar with. With your dental insurance, most policies just have a set amount of money that the dental insurance provides every year. And what happens is if you don't use any of that money for the year, then it just goes away. You just lose it at the end of the year on most folks' policies. So if you've got dental insurance and you haven't been to the dentist yet this year, it's really a great idea to get in before the end of the year. Come in, get your teeth cleaned. Most of the time that's for free. So are the x-rays and the exam with your insurance. And then we can get your teeth checked out, see if there's anything going on. And if you can get that done before the end of the year, then you end up getting to use this year's benefits. So if you're paying for that policy, if it's just coming out of your check every month, but you haven't used any of it yet, and you feel like you need to get your teeth checked or clean, then give us a call. We'd be glad to get you in, get them checked out, and hopefully get anything fixed before the end of the year.